video 3 times already. I don't know which or what is the issue. So I will rush through it so that before they will cut me off again, I am already going to finish this. Okay. So starting from the beginning, let's start at the beginning quickly. We are rushing through. When you launch your Grok AI, you will see at the top of your screen there, you will see the ask option and the imagine option, right? Inside the ask option, that was where I plotted everything that I wanted, my idea for my podcast, everything. I did it inside the ask. Yes, even up to generating my characters. So because this is a simple video, I had to quickly generate one host. Your podcast can be one host or two hosts, right? Two multiple characters. Now, usually it is easy for you to initially or instantly make your two characters, one character speak, which is what we will see here. To make your video speak, to make your image speak, download the image after you have generated it from your ask option.
Welcome to Women and Finance. I am Adara. Stay glued.
All right. So you see, this
Welcome
is
to Women and Finance. I am Adara.
So you see this, right? So it is easy to just make your one character speak, right? All you need to do is copy the script based on that. I already did that in the previous two videos, right? For this particular episode. So I'm trying to rush before I am cut off again like the other ones, right? So what I did was I generated scripts for the single host and then for the multiple hosts, right? So this is what my first host is saying.
Welcome to Women and Finance. I am Adara. Stay glued.
So because I only have 6 seconds per video, per frame or per generation, what I need to do is I need to download this one, then I will redo it. I can now say,
stay glued.
This character will now say something else. Let us say she says,
I am Adara.
She says, or she talks.
Welcome
I think
to Women
talks
and Finance.
is more effective on Grok. She talks. Women get
Welcome to Women and Finance.
82
I am
cents.
Adara.
82 cents for every
Welcome to Women and Finance. I am Adara. Stay
so I want her to now say this. Now this is easy for her to say. I know that you guys have seen this, so let's let this one generate. Then let's go back. So for our two characters, what do we want to do? You guys, if you've not watched the previous videos, how we got to this point, please go and watch that, right? But I already did all the step by step to get to this point. So I'm trying to rush through this before they stop my streaming again. I have been stopped like twice already, so I'm trying to rush to make sure that the network does not cut me off or the platform. All right, so here we have two characters. That is more technical. So what do you want to do? Name your characters, right? Character on the left and character on the right. The reason I'm not going with male and female character is what if you have two female characters? What if you have two male characters, right? So it's better you name them character on the right, character in the middle, character on the right, on the left, right? So that the AI is able to follow it. So here I'm going to say character on the right talks and says, welcome to Women in Finance. I am K. Then character on the left says character on the... I'm trying to rush. I hope you guys can see my screen. Character on the left talks and I hope you guys can see my screen. And I am Bay. I'm just naming them whatever, but I'm just trying to show you how you can do multiple and single, right? To have fun, generation, right? And I am Bay. Grab your coffee. Let's say it says grab your coffee. Now you are going to be using things that are in your script, right? Come here and impute them short. Don't put too long. Remember, you only have 6 seconds per generation on Grok. So grab your coffee and let's chat. Let's say that. All right, so let's look at this and then let's have the character say that. Now, the reason I'm copying this out, if you are using an iPhone, you can always come back and you will get the the prompt there again. But if you're using an Android, you need to copy it out just in case you don't get what you want instantly. You can easily re-input it easily without typing again all over. Right, let's go and check what our first character has said. All right, so let's see.
Women get 82 cents for every male dollar. Women get 82 cents for every male dollar.
You guys, can you see this? Can you see this? So let's see what our multiple characters
Welcome
say.
to Women and Finance. I'm Kay and I am Bay. Grab your coffee and let's chat.
Now,
Welcome
do you see?
to Women and Finance.
Can you see that only the character on the right spoke throughout?
Grab your coffee
So,
and let's chat.
I don't know what she's doing with that.
Women and Finance. I am Kay.
I know that I generated
and I am
it with
Bay.
it, but I don't know what she's doing with
let's
that.
chat. Welcome
Stickers.
to Women and Finance.
So
I
let's
am Kay.
re-input the prompt and have
Grab
her.
your coffee and let's chat.
Let's
Welcome
re-input
to
that
Women
prompt
and
again,
Finance.
right?
I am Kay,
Because I don't know what she's
and I am
doing
Bay.
and she's the only one
Grab your
speaking.
coffee and
So let's
let's
re-input the
chat.
prompt
Welcome
and then
to
we'll do
Women
it.
and
Remember,
Finance.
AI
I
is not
am
yet
Kay,
perfect, so we'll
and
continue
I
to
am
do it till we
Bay.
get what we
Grab your
want.
coffee and
Then you
let's
do
chat.
this over and
Welcome
over
to Women and
for
Finance.
your
I am
script,
Kay,
right?
and I
At
am
least you now understand how to get it simply with your single character.
get
Once
82
I am okay with this
cents
one, I will
for every
download this and I
male
can
dollar.
change again. I'll click redo and
Women
customize
get
it and put
82
something
cents
else so that
for
she can say
every
something else.
male
So
dollar.
I will do this until I am done with everything I want to
Women
say in
get
my script.
82
Then I'll
cents
put it
for
together in
every
my
male
editing app
dollar.
and save it. That is an episode of
Women
my
get
podcast.
82
Okay.
cents.
Now let's go and see what our multiple hosts are saying. Let us see if they are ready. Are they ready for us? The internet is slow, you guys, but yeah, we are doing this, right? Let us see what our two hosts are saying. Okay, internet is still slow. Yeah, but let's see. Okay, so they are back. Let us see.
Welcome to Women and Finance. I am Kay and I am Bay. Grab your coffee and let's chat.
Now she looks very nice, but yeah, let's switch that up. I don't know what's wrong. Why is she's not picking? Okay, look at this. Okay, so let's add some time in. Let's add some time in and say from. Okay, so I'm adding timing to make sure that they allow the male to speak, right? So from, remember we only have 6 seconds. So from the first second to the third second, I want the character on the right talks. So from the third second, from the third second to the 6th second, I want the male character to speak.
To Women and Finance. I am Kay.
Character
and I am Bay.
on the
Grab your
left
coffee and
talks.
let's chat. Welcome to Women and
Grab
Finance.
your coffee
I am
and let's
Kay,
chat.
And I am
Okay,
Bay.
so let's
Grab
try
your
that
coffee.
as another prompt and see. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, my video limit has reached. I've reached my video limit for the day, but that's the way you would keep trying it until you get it. So once you get it, use what works for you and continually, copy from your script. You copy from your script here inside Ask. Remember, this is where we did all the work. See all the work that we did from the beginning. This is where we did all that work, right? See it. We built a full podcast here from the concept up to the creation. So inside here, the ask option is where you will build your brainstorming and generate your images. Images, I did not say videos. When you want to generate videos, you will now switch to the imagine option at the top and then generate videos by importing your images into your imagine and then turning those images into videos like what you see currently on your screen. So I hope you got value from today's video, you guys. Even though, we had to use 3 videos to get this, but I hope that you got value from today's video. Leave me a comment, follow this channel, subscribe to the channel if you've not. It is free to subscribe, of course, and of course you can like this video, click the like. The like also helps to tell YouTube that this is valuable and they can support us. Can you see this? Oh my God. Hi, but what is the video about? Okay, so this video is basically about creating a podcast, an AI podcast with your an AI podcast basically. So you can create an avatar or you can use yourself, maybe one of your images. You don't want to set up your camera, or you don't want to set up a camera, or you don't want to, you don't have the time to, or the budget to pay for a studio session, you can actually create characters like this to pass your message by creating a podcast. Can you see this? So we created a podcast right from the start. This is the third video this is the third part in this series. It was not an intended series, actually. It was supposed to be just one session, but because we continually had network glitches and the rest, I had to try it over and over. But this is a final stage. Okay, so go and start from the first part of this video so that you can see how to brainstorm the idea, how we got to this final and finishing touch, right? Thank you so much for watching. I'll be ending the live now. Please feel free to ask me questions. If you're not yet part of AFN is AI Filmmakers Network. You can join us. The link is in the description of every of our videos. Okay, check them out on this channel. If you enjoyed and you got value from this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button. We welcome you to join us. All right. AFN is a community for creators to network, collaborate, and find ways to monetize their AI skills. AI is here to stay. It's not going anywhere. So this is that time when you want to jump on it. All right. So you can see this. This is character 1. And of course, these are my character 2. Yes. So, but I already hit my video limit for the day. So let's enjoy what character 1 is saying. Okay. So thank you so much for watching today. We'll be back again tomorrow with our top 5 countdown. All right. See you tomorrow, everybody. Bye, everyone.